Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to talk about skincare. It's a pretty simple routine for me. Check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. So skincare, it can be tricky because everyone has different skin types. My skin type is very sensitive. If you're new to my channel or if you've been watching my channel for a while, I know that I talk a lot about my sensitivity to most products. And I'm not just talking about makeup, I'm talking about skincare products too. So there isn't really a lot on the market that I can use. And yes, there could be a lot of beneficial products, but a lot of them just aggravate or irritate my skin to the point where it's not worth it for me to use it. It's not, the benefits don't outweigh the risks, and the risk is my skin either breaking out in a rash or blotches or some type of breakout. It's just not worth it to me. So there isn't a lot of products that I can use, but there are a lot of good products that I can use. And let's start off with how I take off my makeup. Simple is the only brand I can use to take off my makeup. It just is the only product that doesn't irritate my skin. And it's really good makeup wipes. It's Sensitive Skin Experts, Kind to Skin. They're known for that. Very clean product. It actually does take off your makeup pretty good. As far as the stubborn waterproof makeup goes, it probably doesn't take it off as some of the other makeup wipes would, but you know, I would rather have it not irritate my skin than be able to really like take off that waterproof makeup, because there's other products I can use to just go in with the eyes. And Lancome has a really good makeup remover for that if you really want to get off that stubborn waterproof. I just wouldn't use it all over my face. As far as like taking off my actual foundation and all the other makeup, Simple is the only product that I can use. And sometimes I'll go through two of them, a lot of times actually, because I wear a lot of makeup or I'm going full glam. I really want to make sure I get off all that makeup before I go in the shower and really wash off everything. As far as cleansing washes go, Aveeno is the only cleansing wash that I can use. This stuff is amazing. I have been using this for years now. I guarantee you I have tried dermatology brands. I've tried a plethora of different brands, and there isn't one on the market that doesn't irritate my skin. This is amazing. This is Ultra Calming Foaming Cleanser. It gently cleanses irritated, sensitive skin without over drying, and it's fragrance free. So if your skin is sensitive, always go for fragrance free stuff. You do not, anytime you smell a hint of something, I can guarantee you it's going to aggravate your skin. So this is the only cleansing wash that I can use. I love this stuff, and I'll link all the products on the bottom as I always do. Now, after I get out of the shower, I've tried all the toners on the market. There isn't one toner that doesn't aggravate my skin. I'm telling you, if there is something, please comment below and let me know. If you have ultra sensitive skin like I do or are prone to breaking out, please let me know on the bottom. But as far as toners go, as of right now, I have yet to find one. Now I can get my makeup off pretty good with the makeup cleansers, the face wash, and the Micellar, I think that's how I say it, cleansing water. I pretty much know that when I use those three products, I'm gonna get everything off. And that's why a toner usually comes in handy, because it really kind of gets that excess residue off that maybe you didn't get with your makeup wipes or your foaming wash. So as far as toners, I don't really use one. Now at nighttime, there's really not a lot I use, and I know I should probably be using more moisturizer because I do have mature 40-year-old skin, but again, I don't wanna aggravate my skin. As far as like breakouts go, and I'm a picker, I'm guilty of it. I do pick. So I do scar. I get those stubborn pimples, those, yes, we all know those ones that we just don't like and they don't want to go away and they want to scar and they're just mean and they're angry and they're really pissed off. If I feel like my skin is pretty dry, I will go in with the normal moisturizer that I use on a normal day, Clinique Moisture Surge. And I'll use this one at night because it is nice and moisturizing. Sometimes I forget, sometimes I remember. Can't tell you that every night I put this on, but for most nights I'll remember to moisturize my face. Now, if my face isn't feeling dry, I don't really like to put a whole lot of product on my face, so I won't use it. It just depends on how it's feeling that day. If it's stubborn and it's dry, I'll definitely use a moisturizer. But the Clinique Moisture Surge is the only moisturizer I can use. And it has like that petroleum, like water-like, gel-like base, I guess you can say. It's a 72-hour auto-replenishing hydrator. It's pretty amazing. I love this stuff. And it's 100% fragrance free, which is really important. And then the eye cream I like, and it's the same thing, Clinique All About Eyes. I really like it. And I also like the Giorgio Armani one. If your skin is really sensitive and prone to breaking out, I would stick to Clinique because it's very derma friendly. Now, as far as like serums go, especially for those stubborn breakouts that we get, or if you get them, or if you have any hyperpigmentation or anything on your face, scarring, the only serum I really like, well, there's two actually. The one I know that has been tried and true is Murad, and this is the Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. This can be kind of pricey. I actually got this 50% off in the Ulta, I think it's All About Your Skin event this January month, and it was 50% off. So I got it for really cheap. Relative to the normal price of $72, I think I paid like $34. So really look out for their sales. Sometimes they have it, and it does last forever. I think this can last me an entire year because you don't want to use too much of it. But I'm telling you guys, your scars will fade within a day. I promise you that. This stuff is amazing. So this is not something I would use every day unless I have scarring. So it just really lightens that hyperpigmentation areas, and just really, I mean, it says that 85% of people saw spots lighten within a week. So I saw it within a day, to be quite honest. I mean, it didn't fully take it away, but I saw it starting to lighten, and I'm just extremely impressed. You only want to use this in the PM. It says massage evenly over a clean face on your neck and chest. Sun alert says, see sun alert on outside of carton. I don't know. Oh, sun alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. So be careful. Make sure you always use sunscreen. I mean, it's just a no-brainer. When you go outside, use sunscreen if you want to preserve your skin. Now, this other product called Mabox. If you can't afford Murad, this is a really good alternative. And I honestly, like, I have been using this non-stop, and I really like it. You can even use it before you put your makeup on. This is wash and wipe your face. Apply a small amount to your entire face and neck. Wait till it dries, and it can be used daily. As far as those stubborn breakouts and that hyperpigmentation that you just can't get rid of, Murad guaranteed will work. Now, this is a product you can use every day. That product I wouldn't use every day. This is only if I have stubborn breakouts, and this is a product I would use every day. So this is really good, and it has pretty simple ingredients in it, which means it's pretty clean. So for everyday and affordability, the Mabox is a really good serum for your face. Now, as far as primers go, I know I talk about this a lot on my channel because there really isn't a whole lot of primers I can use. There are two primers on the market that will have zero chance of breaking me out, and that is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and this is a primer and moisturizer in one. Now, this is new to my makeup bag, but it has been out, I think, since last year or maybe the end of 2017. This primer is nice because you don't have to use a moisturizer and a primer. It's all in one. So it's easy, you save money that way. So if you really can't afford to have a moisturizer and a primer, this is your go-to. This is $42, but you get quite a bit in here, and it has the hyaluronic acid in it. It's for all skin types, 1 to 2 pumps, and it hydrates for 24 hours and really holds and locks and gives you that nice, beautiful surface to really go in with your foundation, whether you use powder or liquid foundation. Now, the other primer I like is the Hangover RX by Too Faced, and this is a proactive, nourishing, replenishing face primer. It has coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin relievers, and it's silicone free. So if you are irritated, if you have that skin that just gets irritated by everything, stay away from silicone. I know silicone is great as far as like really like blurring out those pores and really giving that really soft, beautiful texture to your skin. Yes, it's wonderful, but it is going to aggravate your skin. It is going to make you break out. If you are prone to breakout, stay away from silicone. I promise you that. Your skin will love you at the end of the day. Maybe your makeup won't go on as smooth without the silicone, but I'm telling you, if you use the right foundation and a good primer that has silicone free, which are these two primers, I'm telling you, you will not have a problem with your makeup going on smooth. But your skin will also love you at the same time because silicone is very irritating to the skin. So stay away from it if you have sensitive skin. So that's pretty much all I use. I'm telling you guys, if you have sensitive skin or if you have skin that's prone to breakouts or rashes or anything, the less products you use, the better off you are. I can promise you that. I had a dermatologist, a very honest dermatologist, tell me that one time. Just stay away from it. I used to do pharmaceutical sales, so I used to call on a lot of dermatologists, and the consensus was if you have irritated skin, the less you put on your face, the better off you are. So you know you're going to use makeup. So just stick to one moisturizer and one primer, which is a good all-in-one Smashbox one where it's very clean and there isn't much product in it and there's no fragrance, there's no silicone. It has the right ingredients, the hyaluronic acid to plump up your skin, yet it creates that smooth canvas and that smooth base for you to go in with your foundation. As far as like makeup wipes and toners, don't get caught up in the fact that, oh, this product can do this, you need that. Wherever you go, people are going to try to sell you on things. Sometimes a lot of dermatology offices try to sell you on things. Stay away from it. Don't buy into the gimmick. Just know what's good for your skin. And I know with me, it's very simple for me to just use very little products and really just try to get the job done without having to put a lot on my face. So that's pretty much my skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, set your notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye.